Tired of paper statements cluttering your mailbox? Switching to eStatements is better for the planet, more secure, and often a way to avoid fees. Today, I'll show you how to enroll in just a minute. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Making the switch is a simple, one-time setting change in your profile. Once you do it, you'll get an email alert each month when your new statement is ready to view online. First, log into your Bank of America online banking, either on the website or in the app. Navigate to your profile or account settings, and find the Statements and Documents section. In there, you'll see the option to go paperless or enroll in eStatements. You'll select this, review the terms, and confirm your choice for each of your accounts. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: download or save your statements annually. While BoA keeps them for years, it's a good practice to download your yearly statements and save them to a secure cloud drive or hard drive for your long-term records and tax purposes. Just like that, you've reduced clutter and increased your security. How long have you been thinking about making the switch to paperless? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.